Jasmy coin has been not able to wake up from a descending pattern that has impacted the information the board-centered digital currency beginning around 2021. At the hour of composing on the 19th of October 2022, JASMY had arrived at another untouched low of $0. We should investigate the coin's experience. What is Jasmy coin? In the background, Jasmy has left upon various coordinated efforts with its industry peers. As per Jasmy's white paper, the convention has teamed up with Sony VAIO to foster high-security PCs for use in monetary foundations. Jasmy has likewise cooperated Toyota to fabricate a stage to record vacationer information which could be utilized for driverless vehicles later on. In this video, we'll investigate both the Jasmy stage and Jasmy coin. You will likewise track down data on Jasmy coin's organizers and verifiable cost execution, as well as Jasmy coin cost expectations for 2022 and past from different investigators and calculation-based sites. Jasmy, Decentralized Information the Board Administrations. Jasmy is an information the board convention that intends to recapture information sway for every individual so everybody can utilize their information securely and safely. In its white paper, Jasmy said that many organizations hold clients' very own information without appropriate information the executives' frameworks to proficiently use that information. Besides, it said, security lacks make client information defenseless against data spillage and consistent infringement. The convention, which has its underlying foundations in Japan, tries to re-establish every individual's information proprietorship so everybody can utilize their information securely. Jasmy has combined blockchain and Web of Things advancements to make a stage that empowers clients to store their information in private computerized storage spaces. Secure Information Communicator is Jasmy's center individual information storage administration. Its fundamental elements incorporate permitting clients to store and deal with their own information on its foundation. SKC has a usefulness that permits organizations to access and utilize individual information in the wake of getting consent from the person. Different administrations given by Jasmy incorporate an information the executive's administration for IoT gadgets, called Shrewd Watchman, and a decentralized PC information the board administration for organizations to deal with secret data, called Secure Endeavor Administration. With this blockchain-controlled information the board administration, Jasmy expects to assist customers with safeguarding their own information as additional savvy gadgets become piece of their homes. Jasmy likewise means to assist organizations with dealing with the surge of customer information by giving protected, secure administration frameworks that will permit organizations to extricate new worth from accessible information in a dependable way. Jasmy said in its white paper, today, makers from a wide assortment of enterprises, including home machine, lodging, energy providers, and telecom organizations, are speeding up their business to acknowledge shrewd home administrations. In this way, it is critical to have rules and guidelines set up for the insurance and utilization of information on these organization gadgets and their security, as well as related individual information. The organization is likewise fostering a blockchain-based decentralized application for contact focuses to assist them with utilizing client information effectively and safely. Jasmy coin cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, realizing the JASMY value history can give us some genuinely necessary setting with regards to either making a Jasmy coin value forecast of our own or deciphering one that as of now exists. JASMY's cost activity has been extremely unpredictable since its beginning. In view of the earliest accessible cost information on an outline from 2021, the JASMY token cost spiked from $1.29 on the 12th of February 2021 to its record-breaking high of $4.99 on the 16th of February 2021, a flood of practically 300%. Notwithstanding, the value neglected to keep up with its force and in 7 days fell over 64% from its top to $1.77. The token exchanged with high unpredictability the weeks that followed. It tumbled to 1 cent by the 12th of July 2021 as the bears assumed responsibility. In the last quarter of 2021, the symbolic saw a short convention as its costs spiked more than 1,000% to hit 27 cents by the 2nd of November 2021, helped by its posting on the global crypto trade Coinbase. In 2022, JASMY has stayed beneath the 9 cents mark starting from the beginning of the year. Information from Coinbase showed JASMY posted month-to-month misfortunes in 5 months out of 6 in the principal half of 2022. On the 18th of June 2022, JASMY hit a low of $0. The token tumbled in the midst of a more extensive accident in cryptographic money costs. Following that, the token recuperated fairly, most strikingly to 1 cent on the 17th of August, before it fell down once more. Starting around the 19th of October 2022, it was worth about $0, another unequaled low. Around then, There are 4.75 billion JASMY available for use out of an all-out supply of 50 billion. This gave the token a market cap of about $22 M, making it the 549th biggest crypto by that measurement. Jasmy Coin News. Joint efforts with Sony VAIO and Toyota Jasmy fostered a high-security PC for Japan's biggest client support focus, Transcosmos. The call administration application programming in view of blockchain and Jasmy's SKC administration of Jasmy assisted 21,000 phone administrators with telecommuting actually during the coronavirus timeframe. Jasmy and Sony VAIO together grew high-security PCs that will be utilized in banks and other monetary foundations. Jasmy cooperated with car organization Toyota and travel specialist Co-Opus Wits to fabricate a stage to record the vacationer information for the Hokkaido district of Japan. The stage will be promoted around here to understand Japan's most memorable business pilot of driverless vehicles and supporting offices in the locale, expressed Jasmy in its white paper. In December 2021, Jasmy declared a cooperation with Ethereum-based, metaverse-centered convention MetaVisa to fabricate a scaffold to advance interoperability between blockchain biological systems utilizing non-fungible token. Jasmy reported plans in January 2022 to advance its business outside Japan and lay out a global presence in North America and Asia. As per Jasmy, it will lay out a base in US and Asia to team up with organizations in the blockchain and computer-based intelligence innovation areas, and to advance Jasmy Coin. Jasmy reported an organization with Hong Kong-based PC designer NEXSTGO in WOC 2022. The two associations will team up on the turn of events and creation of models furnished with the Jasmy Secure PC idea. Jasmy collaborated with Mystico Network, a multi-chain security SDK, in April 2022 to empower verification of clients and gadgets without sharing confidential information to correspondence network mediators. Jasmy sent off a fan token for Japanese football club Sagantosu in July 2022. Jasmy Coin cost expectations. But that completely finished with, we should investigate a portion of the Jasmy Coin cost expectations that were being made starting around the 19th of October 2022. To start with, had a transient Jasmy Coin cost expectation for 2022 which proposed the symbolics worth could tumble to $0 the 18th of November. For the more extended term, calculation-based site was much more downbeat in its JASMY crypto cost expectation, proposing the token could be in for a scorching time frame over the impending a year, arriving at a simple $0 October 2023. Wallet financial backers Jasmy Coin cost expectation for 2025 saw the symbolic beginning the year at $0 finishing it at $0. Had a more bullish perspective on JASMY's cost exhibition as long as possible, as indicated by its Jasmy Coin cost expectation for 2030. Had assumptions for the token to possibly ascend to a typical cost of 2 cents. In any case, long-haul Jasmy crypto cost expectation didn't figure the token could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $4.99 in the following 10 years. At last, had a JASMY cost expectation